Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about modules and packages in Python. Modules are Python files that contain code we can reuse in other programs. They help us organize our code and make it easier to manage. For example, we can have a module called math operations.py that contains math related functions like addition and subtraction. And we can have a package named utilities that includes modules for string operations, file operations, and date operations. Understanding modules and packages is crucial for writing clean and efficient Python code. They make it easier to collaborate with others and maintain large projects. So, let's start our today's topic, which is modules and packages in Python. So everyone, this is modules and this is packages, and this video will complete discuss about modules and packages. So this is modules in and pip in Python. So basically what is module and what is pip, and this is very useful in Python. So module is like a code library which can be used to borrow code written by somebody else in our Python program. So it is used to borrow code written by somebody. There are two types of modules. So built-in modules. These modules are ready to import and use and zips. Okay. So this is already installed with Python interpreter. Zips with the Python interpreter. There is no need to install such modules explicitly. While on the other hand, external modules these modules are imported from a third-party file. Okay, so these modules are imported from the third-party file or can be installed using a package manager like pip or conda. So in this video, we will also discuss what is pip. Since this code is written by someone else, we can install different versions of the same module with time. So now we have discussed what is built-in module and what is external, but what is this pip command? So it can be used as a package manager, pip to install our Python module. So we use pip command to install modules in Python. So let's install a module called pandas using the following command. So now follow me step by step how to install modules in Python. So everyone, open your Jupyter notebook. We will also use pip command on command prompt. So it is opening, and so okay. Now create a new file. Now click on select. OK, rename this file modules and packages. We will also discuss about how import works in Python. OK, now here we will use pip command to install our modules, and we will install pandas. So first specify pip and then install, and then your this is Python library, and press shift plus enter. Now press shift plus enter, and it takes time to install. So it is installing. So now requirement already satisfied. It means pandas is already installed in my system. So the output is requirement already satisfied. In this way you can install any modules in Python. Now everyone open the command prompt. Type cmd and now type here Python. So now this is the Python shell, and here we can write our Python code, and version of Python which is 3.11.11.4. Okay, now here we also install pandas using the same command pip install pandas. And what is this sentence? So friends, this is error because you cannot install the modules inside the Python REPL. REPL means read, evaluate, print, loop, or the Python shell. But you can print your code. For example, print hello world, print 2 plus 4, which is 6. But now we want to exit this cell, so you can use exit. Now I am exit from the Python shell. Now pip install pandas. So panda is installing. So requirement already satisfied. It means pandas is already installed in my system. So now we want to install another module, which is pip install numpy. So this is already installed in my system also. So requirement already satisfied. In this way you can install modules in your laptops or systems. Now where is our, so this is our Jupyter notebook, and here we also want to install pip install numpy. So now requirement already satisfy or note, you may need to restart the kernel to use update packages. Okay, so in this way you can use pip command in your Jupyter as well as command prompt. But everyone noted here that sometimes pip command not execute successfully on Jupyter Notebook. So you can also use exclamation sign and then pip install numpy. This will also a correct code. So it takes time to install. So now requirement already satisfy numpy in and the location. This is the location where the numpy has installed. So in C drive and your folder and Python 3.11 sites. Okay. Now you can also check the version of these libraries. For example, import. So what is import? This is our last topic. We will also discuss about import, but here just look at the code. Import numpy as np. In this way we can use our module and then print np dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So in my system the version of numpy is 1.26.4. okay, so how to check the version of modules or libraries? Similarly, we want to check the version of pandas. So import pandas as pd. So guys, this is as, what is as? This is alias. This is the short form of pandas as pd. Now we want to check pd dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So the version of pandas is 2.1.4 installed in my system. So we will erase it. So in this way we can use pip command in our system. Now using a module in Python uses, we use the import syntax to import a module in Python. So after installing modules, you can use the modules using import function. So import pandas, read and work with file named words.csv, and this is the code of pandas. So we will also discuss a complete video about pandas, numpy and matplotlib. So in the coming lectures. Similarly, we can install other modules and look into their documentation. So everyone, you can also go to the documentation of these modules and then install it. For users instructions, we will find ourselves doing this often in the later part of this course. So alright everyone, I hope that you have hopefully understood what is modules in Python and what is external modules and what is built-in modules and how to install modules and what is this pip command. So okay, now we will move to the next topic.